Alright guys, for now we're going to check the P305F dual battery control module performance. That description is not the the module is not working or is maybe electrical issue inside the module. All right, so the most important part right here is the battery, the auxiliary battery in the trunk. All right, now on this vehicle, all right, this one is a 2014 Chevrolet Malibu. So this kind of vehicle has two batteries, just one in the front and one in the trunk. All right, so when you have this code, you need to replace the battery. We're going to check if the battery is working properly or not. Look at this, guys. I already disconnect the two cable leads, the positive and negative, and connect the Autel module to check if the battery is working or not. All right, so the battery is not good for now. Is replace battery. The CCA is 155 CCA, and look at this, the measure is just 1 CCA, and the voltage is 1168. All right, it's not good, so now it's replaced. And look at this, we're going to measure the battery. If you select our vehicle test, just put the right CCA on the vehicle, and that's all. We're going to start testing right there. Look, replace battery. All right, you need to replace the battery if you have this kind of code. This is the Chevrolet Malibu. All right, so if you have this code, just go to replace the auxiliary battery. Remember, look, this is the code that you have right here. Okay, P305F dual control module performance. All right guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Bye bye.